Hi, I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to earn free crypto, including Stellar Lumens with Coinbase Earn. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, as it really helps me to grow my channel and understand what kind of content you enjoy. And if you do enjoy it and you feel that others may benefit, then please feel free to share. Coinbase have recently released Coinbase Earn, which lets you earn cryptocurrencies while learning about them in a simple and engaging way. Coinbase's main aim is to make blockchain technology more accessible, both in the sense of making cryptocurrencies easier to understand and also to obtain. To make this possible, they've created Coinbase Earn. And the whole idea around Coinbase Earn is that you can discover how specific cryptocurrencies work whilst also getting a bit of that currency to try out for yourself. So this is another great opportunity for those that are looking to diversify their crypto portfolio, get a better understanding of cryptocurrencies, or just looking to get into altcoins without spending any money. Now, blockchain are also offering free crypto for their users by completing and validating their profiles, and they can earn up to $50 of free XLM. I've actually created a video for that, and what I'll do is I'll put that in the top right hand corner now so that you can get that free crypto via blockchain as well. Now, I know that a lot of people have had issues with Coinbase in the past, and if you do look on online forums, you'll see some negative reviews. I've personally not had issues with Coinbase, but that's not to say that you won't have issues. So Coinbase have created educational videos to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. Then, after watching each of those videos, you'll receive a simple quiz testing what you've learned. You'll then receive crypto in your Coinbase wallet for every quiz that you complete. So, for example, with Stellar Lumens, you can earn up to $10 of XLM by watching 2-minute beginner videos about Stellar and completing some quizzes. Also, by sharing a unique referral link, you can earn an additional $40 of XLM by inviting 4 friends to complete the lessons too. I'll put my referral link into the summary below so that you can go through and start earning. Now, some of the cryptocurrencies are not available and they do run out pretty quick, but they have said that over time they do plan to add more educational content as well as the ability to earn other cryptocurrencies. And it's a great way to learn about different cryptocurrencies. For example, with the basic attention token, I didn't really know that much about it. I had heard of them and I'd also heard of the Brave browser, but I didn't have enough knowledge about it. But since I've gone through and started the course and watched the videos, I've changed my browser from Chrome to the Brave browser. So how do you get your free crypto? Well, the first thing you need to do is sign into Coinbase. Now, if you are using someone else's referral code, then please click onto that before signing in or creating an account. And this is also available to new users as well who sign up for a Coinbase account. And at the same time, they're still offering $10 of free Bitcoin when you sign up and deposit your account with $100. You can use my link for that, so I'll put that in the summary below also. So once you've signed in, what you need to do is choose the crypto you'd like to learn and earn. And in this example, I'm going to click on to Start Course against the Stellar Lumens. And all you need to do is watch the 2-minute beginner video in full. And it's also worth mentioning the fact that the speed can be adjusted if you wish to watch it faster. And if you then click on to Take the Quiz and click on to Next, it will then state that you've earned $2 of XLM. It will then automatically take you into the next lesson. So this can be done a total of 5 times by completing the series of videos. And you can now see that the Stellar Lumens have reached my Coinbase account. And that literally took under 5 minutes to receive that within my account. And as I said, you're also provided with a referral link which will earn you $10 and can be shared 4 times, earning you up to $40 of free XLM. And this link can be shared with friends, family or followers, and once they complete 1 video, you'll receive your crypto. So that's how you get your free crypto with Coinbase Earn. If you'd like to follow the process step by step, I'll put a link to my blog post below. And you can also head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like. And if you'd like to see more tips, reviews and tutorials, then please hit subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.